Warning: the replication and use of the following product idea is at your own risk. I assume no liability or responsibility for improper or excessive use of essential oils. Leafstick essential oil inhaler. The images are showing an essential oil inhaler made out of clay. It is produced by rolling clay around two wood sticks. One is about 5 to 4 millimeters in diameter and the other about 6 or 5 millimeters in diameter. The sticks touch each other at one peak and align. The proportions coated in clay are 2/3 of the skinny stick and 1/3 of the thicker stick. Now when the clay is burned, it has to be glazed and burned again. Then the inhaler is ready to use. For its use you need a piece of paper cut in size and rolled, so it perfectly fits into the larger hole of the leaf stick. You insert the paper not fully and put just one drop of your essential oil at the end. Then you insert it fully. Now you can inhale air through the other end of the leaf stick, and it gets aromatized by the paper on the other side. Essential oil is well known for its health benefits, who differ from oil to oil. It is indispensable that you do your own research on the essential oils you want to use before using them.